Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Real nice Guyana. Today we are making some mutton curry and dal and rice. Yeah, today we're making some mutton curry and dal and rice. Yes guys, so we've prepared everything already. We have our mutton there, you can see. Rice, dal, and our curry powder, jeera, garam masala, onion, and all the other stuff here. And this is our ground up seasoning. So this here, as you know, is traditional Guyanese food, right? Dal, rice, and mutton curry. So over there we got our water heating up. We got both the water for the dal and the rice here. And this here we're gonna cook our curry in our karahi. So we are mixing up the curry powder, jeera, and garam masala with the seasoning there, our grind up seasoning. Our oil is on here already. We got two very peppers we're gonna be using as well today. So in goes the onion. So we haven't done a cooking video in the longest while, guys. So we are back. Just been busy doing other things. We're still here, and we're gonna be doing a live sometime as soon as it's possible for us to do a live. I know some of you guys have questions and so on. We'll be there to answer all your questions. Yeah, so as I said, I know we haven't done any cooking videos for a long time, but we're still here. We're still going to be cooking, still going to be doing other videos, and you can still, you know, depend on us for the videos that you've been seeing we were doing all the time. So it's just that the cooking we've not been doing much of the recently. So our masala is bunjaying there, and that's smelling real nice, of course, as you would imagine. Alright, so it's time to add the meat. Our mutton is going in there. That is one of my favorite curry, mutton curry. Also one of our son loves this very much. And the other one, he don't care for this at all, so that's better, bigger share for us. So in the meanwhile, you can see our water is heating up there for the rice and the dal. So that's all being added here now. So of course, you know, the recipe is going to be linked below in the video, below the video, in the description box, all as usually is always. So curry is bunjing here now. And our water for the dal and the rice is heating up. You can see the water for the dal is boiling already. So we gotta add our dal and our rice now. So we're getting the rice ready, washing up the rice here. Time for the dal now. Just added the rice. So this is real Guyanese food, guys. Maybe in Marmite you would cook something like this. If it's a birthday, you would cook something like this. Dal and rice and mutton curry or duck curry or whatever. We're gonna add some salt to our dal now. And some turmeric. All right. Pepper also is the two pepper showed you earlier is going in the dal. And now we're gonna add the garlic to the dal. There you go. And now some curry powder. So as I said, guys, the recipe will be linked below the video in the description box. And you can make this delicious dish for you and your family with the original Guyanese taste, the original Guyanese way. This is what we're showing you here now. As you know, in Realize Guyana, we have all the traditional Guyanese recipes, step by step. So you can check them out there on our channel. And we also do videos around Guyana, showing you different places in Guyana, different vlogs. And I must mention that recently a few months ago, we made a milestone, and we made a video. We made a milestone in our subscribers. We've made 100,000 subscribers, and thank you guys once again for that. We started this channel with cooking like we're doing here today, and that is what elevated our channel and made us so popular as one of the first channels that did Guyana recipes. So we're gonna give the mutton curry the first stir now. Looking good, huh? So this is still the bunjing process of the mutton. You can see it's released all the juices there. So we gotta wait until that dries down now. Cover this back. Okay, so we're gonna check up on the dal and the rice now. Give them a little stir. there's our dal, looking yummy, yummy. Alright, so you gotta add a little bit of water to the rice. Our mutton is going there. So our rice is finished cooking, guys, so we're gonna strain this now. So our rice is done, the dal is still cooking, the curry is still cooking. So let's see how the curry is looking now. And it's looking real good. Look at that. Nice, nice. Now let's see the dal. Oops. There you go. Dal is coming along too. Alright. Alright guys, so we're gonna be putting our jeera and our garlic to fry up here to truncate the dal. Alright, so this is the best part of the dal, chunking the dal. So we're gonna wait for this to fry a little bit. Alright, so we're there. Time to chunky the dal. So we cover that, let that mix into the dal there. And our curry just got a little bit more. And then we'll show you our dal and rice and mutton curry. So that's why the dal looks chunky. So here is our finished meal, guys. Our dal and rice and mutton curry. Check out the mutton curry here, looking scrumptious. Really nice, and our dal. Alright, so that's it for this recipe, guys. So let me go dish out some now. Alright guys, so here we go. Some of our taken out a lid here. That's good. Right, some of that dal there. And some of course. And one of these bad boys here. So that's it for this recipe, guys. Thank you for spending a little time with us. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. Please share the video. And as always, thanks for watching.